company built on a vision of health, wealth, and happiness for the world. DXN stands today as a global leader in nutraceutical and health products. From high-quality supplements to refreshing beverages and personal care essentials, DXN continues to inspire communities to live healthier and wealthier lives. 14 factories across 4 continents, over 562 SKU quality health products, a family of 19.4 million members worldwide. DXN generated an impressive 1.9 billion ringgit revenue in 2025. Over 100 million people have experienced the benefits of DXN products. Publicly listed in Malaysia with a market cap of 2.6 billion ringgit. DXN shares its profits through annual dividend payouts, enriching members' quality of life. Across Latin America, DXN's presence has blossomed into a powerful engine for growth, creating sustainable business opportunities for countless entrepreneurs. In Peru, over 2.5 million members form a thriving network of health-conscious leaders, generating 630 million ringgit in annual sales in 2025. A new chapter begins with the groundbreaking of DXN's new factory in Peru, strengthening our global supply chain in Latin America. In Bolivia, more than 1.1 million members proudly carry the DXN spirit, transforming opportunity into prosperity with 371 million ringgit in 2025. In Argentina, over 80,000 members continue to expand DXN's nutraceutical reach, spreading wellness and empowerment nationwide. At our newest frontier, Brazil, over 10,000 members have joined the DXN family in just 1 year, leading the next great wave of growth across Latin America. Recognizing Brazil's tremendous potential next frontier, DXN is investing further, acquiring 400 acres of fertile plantation in Ibia in the beautiful Minas Gerais region. This land, home to lush coffee and orange plantations, represents the heart of DXN's integrated value chain, where nature, science, and entrepreneurship grow together. It is a promise of opportunity, a cross-fertilization of business that brings value to Minas Gerais and beyond. By cultivating and processing raw ingredients locally, DXN creates new jobs, promotes agricultural innovation. Together, we are empowering local communities and building a foundation for shared prosperity. This is just the beginning of our chapter in Brazil. DXN continues to expand and to inspire global citizens toward shared prosperity. Together, we are DXN. One world, one market,